So I got some new editing gear. I'm going to be making a lot of videos in the next few weeks, so I got this controller to help me make more videos. Faster, better. So we got the little click wheel, we got the scroller, all the buttons. I'm really liking this so far. It's gonna help me scroll through all the footage that I've got. I have a lot of footage I haven't been able to get through, so just getting through the footage and finding the clips that we want to use is the first battle. And then we make it look pretty, and that's the fun part. But I got a lot of videos I'm working on, so hopefully this will help me out. Stoked to use it. So I got another one today, same day. New mouse. Sweet. So, gonna set up my desk with the new mouse, new little controller, and gonna edit this video right away. Real quick, this video is getting longer and stupider. This mouse is tight. This took a while to set up, but it is now working perfectly. Booyakasha.